Hi Leos, welcome to my channel. So today we are going to do your love reading, you versus them, and we will see what are the tarot angels messages for both of you. All right, so let's see what is there for my Leos and their person today. Let's see what are the love messages for our Leos. Let's see now. So for those who are new to my channel, a warm welcome to you all, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please consider subscribing and hit the bell notification icon as well, so that you will be able to get updated about my latest videos. Alright, and as you all know, this is a general reading. It might or might not resonate with all of you. So let's see now. Okay, so your energy with your partner is the Chariot and Five of Pentacles. It's like somebody is really moving forward and letting someone else alone. Okay, so it's like two people, and somebody has left someone for some goals to achieve, for that thing, for some some ambitions. Somebody has left someone for their ambitions to get fulfilled first. Let's see. Yeah. Okay, so how you see them as the Seven of Swords. So you see them as the cheaters, you see them as the ones who left you alone. Okay, so you see them as the one who deceived you. See how this person is running. He has a knife in his hand during night. So this is somebody who is like very secretive, and who is actually always kept some secrets, and who always wanted something else from this relationship, who betrayed you. This is how you see them. How they see you as the King of Wands. They see you as somebody very ambitious, somebody really attractive, somebody who is like a boss. Okay, so this might be because you are they see you as that kind of a very dominant, bossy person. They see you as who is very this is the thing which I really need to do, so this is my way or highway. So that kind of a person they see you as. Okay, let's clarify now. Let's clarify why the Seven of Swords is here. Why the Seven of Swords is here, please. Six of Pentacles. Okay, what else do we have for Seven of Swords? The Fool. The Hermit and Justice. Okay. So you always knew that this person is really very enthusiastic in nature. This person always loves to explore new things, always loves to enter a leap of faith. Just wherever he or she wants to enter, they just go towards that thing. You always knew that thing, that they are that kind of they have that kind of a nature, and actually you always liked that kiddish behavior of them. Okay, a very childlike person who is always very happy-go-lucky kind of a person. So that is what you were always attracted towards this person. They always knew that there is a relationship, there is a balance, a harmony which needs to be maintained in a relationship. And that is what you were actually involved. You were actually interested and attracted towards them, because of always being good towards you. But this is really it's like that you also knew that with this behavior of them, it can be, anytime they can just leave you and they can go towards someone else, because they are that kind of a fool. Okay, so the fool over here is like that energy only. So they do not even think where they are leaping towards. They can even fall from a very high area. See how this person is just walking, and he can fall from that cliff, but he is not bothered. He is not bothered about anything. So that is why, this problem, this thing you actually knew, and you found and you saw this thing in the other person, and you felt that you were treated very bad in this way. Let's see why the King of Wands is here and how they see you as. The Chariot. They see you as someone who is very much towards your own success, your own victory. You have other ambitions and goals. They see you as that. Okay, well, they are the ones who left, but it's like they are telling that, they are showing that, they are broadcasting that, you are the ones who are more ambitious. You are always the one who always talks about your career. You are the ones who talk about the other things other than relationship. And they also see you as a cry baby, because over here I see the Sun, the Leo and Cancer over here might be dealing with that person, or might be you as well. So it might be Cancer, Leo's cusp person. They see you as a crybaby who really just starts to cry whenever you feel, when you feel down. You're always that crybaby. They are basically, this is a feeling where the other person is just, when they want to rid off from a person, they just use the lame excuses. Okay, let's see why the Ten of Wands is here in the blockage. So the blockage is Ten of Wands. The blockage is a burden, a heaviness, might be in them or might be in you as well. So it's like that somebody over here is like, was started to feel a burden by someone. Might be you or might be them. It can be either ways. The Devil. Yeah, I really get that feeling that this was not a love relationship. This was more about lust. It was more about attraction. And when you actually are fulfilled by all these temporary things, then you start feeling a burden from someone else's end. But on both the cases, this can be either of you. Four of Coins as well. This is like, I cannot just, I have to move on. It's like, staying in a situation where there's just attraction, there's no love. So somebody started to feel that thing, that I'm just staying in a place where no love is there and I cannot feel anything for this person. Why the Empress is here in your part? The action which you are going to take, the Empress. Why the Empress is here? The Empress, the Knight of Pentacles. You are not going to take any step because you are in that nourishing zone. You are more into, when you start feeling to cope up with the situation, when you start feeling that, okay, fine, I have understood that this person betrayed me, that this person never wanted this relationship to happen, and then you start feeling that thing, then you start to nourish yourself, then you start to tell yourself that it's fine, okay, I am me, I am happy with what I have got. And because you are the nourisher, you are the caretaker, and you are like, you are the growth. So this is what you are really looking forward. You are looking forward towards your growth. You are not looking forward towards this person's relationship anymore. It's like whatever they want to do, they can do now. I really am focused on my energies, on my growth now. It's enough of them now. What are their actions? Eight of Pentacles. It's like being busy. They are more up. They are more in their job, their work, that they don't even have time for the relationship anymore. They are letting themselves busy. They are Might be involving in some other, sorry, might be involving in some other chit chats as well. So they are, you might be even, not you, but they are more into that energy where their focus is not on you, their focus is on their work. Might be some other people they are hanging out with, because they have actually felt that kind of an ending with you. They have that feeling that I cannot go with this person anymore. Let's see what else do we have. Yeah, because they are more into their betrayal mode, they are more into that mode where they do not want to, they just are very much, they are not manipulative, they are being manipulative, and they are getting manipulated by someone else. Might be other family member or someone younger to them. But it's like, I just want to end this relationship, and they are ending it because of some other people who are actually telling them to do so. Yeah, that is why they are not going to do anything. They are focused in their work now, they are seeing other people, they are chit chatting with other people, and they are not in this zone. Six of Swords at the final outcome. This is like, both of you moving on in your own lives now. It's that kind of a thing. Queen of Cups and the Lovers. So it's a pretty different feeling over here. With the Queen of Cups and the Lovers, it's like when you really need to take some decisions in your life, you take those decisions no matter how much they hurt you, but you take that decision. Okay, so moving on is a big decision which you both are taking, because the Queen of Cups, it's like you both are listening to your intuition. Okay, so if you also feel that somewhere deep inside that this person is not meant to be with me, and they are also feeling that the same, so it happens. You both are never meant to be together. There might be someone else, because this is the problem, is this was really some kind of an addiction towards each other. For some, this was really temporary. Okay, with the Devil in the middle of the reading, it was temporary, it was not long lasting, but at least you understood that yes, my growth is more important right now rather than being in this toxic relationship. Okay, so that's all from my side, Leos. I hope it helps, and we will meet you in the next video. Till then, bye.